I think we can do a better job with the seat by using a different modifier. I'll get rid of extrude and use bevel instead. The advantage to bevel is it can create chamfered edges that catch the light and make the object look a lot more realistic. You see, in the real world, very few objects have perfectly crisp edges like you'd get from an extrusion. Fortunately, bevel works in the same way that extrude does, so that we can bevel this object and it will extrude upward. I'll start by giving it a height in level 2. I'll set this at 3/4 of an inch. That's essentially like extruding it. And I'm using level 2 because it's the middle of the bevel and it represents the middle of the sandwich. For level 1, this will be the bottom of the bevel. I'll set it at 1/8 of an inch in height with an outline of 1/8 of an inch. To see that, it's necessary to arc rotate underneath the object, and it's helpful to go into edged faces mode. Here you can see a chamfered edge, or bevel, right here. It's actually on all 4 sides of the seat. You can just catch it here. So that's level 1. Level 2 is the middle of the sandwich, and level 3 is the outer part of the sandwich, and we will again use 1/8 of an inch in height. That's like extruding it, and we'll go down the outline. Just click on the down arrow once and we'll outline it back 1/8 of an inch. So you see that? But in the process, we have outlined it 1/8 of an inch outside of the original outline. So it's necessary to take the start outline down by minus 1/8 of an inch, and that will get it just right. Now to line this up, I'll go into the left viewport and just move it up and down so that it's centered. That should take care of our seat. I also need to rename it Seat 1 from Rectangle because of the way that we fixed the axis alignment problem.